Oh. Dan?
No, I gave it to her.
Dan? Oo pa. Oh.
Mama.
Dan? Ano pa ay? Sige pa, pupo pa. Oh.
Oh, my feet so numb.
Pupo pa.
So take off ang shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, twist. Take off your shoes and then twist your...
Dong.
Yeah, one of my feet was right. It's probably the same size. What size is that?
Pupo pa gid. Hindi, so na siya naglingkod. Mangod siya. Okay, pupo.
What did you use your saliva? That's what they do in the village.
Dan, Dan? Dan? Not yet?
And put it
Not done, pupo?
by my dad's bed. No.
You're not done, pupo?
She actually did her book and
Huh?
she sat down. She was like, no, I didn't. Yeah, you did. No, I didn't. Yeah, you
Traffic.
did. I saw when I was laying down in my dad's room. You were digging your fingers and you were sitting down. You put your fingers on my dad's bed.
No. Tubol na yun na.
No, I didn't.
Ako'y luya.
What's your best score?
Human na? Hey, Dan? Dan na. Dan na. Nagngisi naman.
Baho.